Have you ever wondered how virtue can shape your brain? Welcome to the Science of Virtue, where we delve into the fascinating connection between virtuous living and neuroscience. Virtue, the adherence to moral principles like honesty, empathy, and kindness, isn't just about moral fiber. It's also about gray matter. Our brains are incredibly responsive to our behaviors, and virtue is no exception. By studying the impact of virtuous living on the brain, we are beginning to unravel some of the science behind why being good feels so good. In this video, we'll explore how empathy connects to mirror neurons, how honesty engages the prefrontal cortex, and how acts of kindness activate the brain's reward system. We'll also look at the tangible health benefits of virtuous living. So, buckle up and prepare to dive into the fascinating interplay between virtue and your brain. Let's start with empathy, a cornerstone of virtuous living. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, to put ourselves in someone else's shoes. It's a key player in fostering connections and building strong relationships. Now, what's fascinating is that our brains are actually wired for empathy, thanks to something called mirror neurons. Discovered in the late 20th century, mirror neurons are a type of brain cell that respond equally when we perform an action and when we see someone else perform the same action. They essentially allow us to mirror the emotions and actions of others, hence their name. Numerous studies have shown that these neurons play a crucial role in empathy. When we empathize with someone else's pain or joy, our mirror neurons light up, allowing us to feel a sense of shared experience. This neural mirroring reinforces our capacity for empathy and compassion, deepening our connections with others. Indeed, empathy can shape our brain in ways we might not have imagined. Now consider honesty, another essential virtue. Honesty, as we know, is the quality of being truthful, sincere, and straightforward. It's a virtue that's highly valued in all walks of life. But what role does our brain play in our ability to be honest? Enter the prefrontal cortex, a part of our brain that's responsible for complex cognitive behavior, decision-making, and moderating social behavior. When it comes to honesty, the prefrontal cortex is the star of the show. It helps us weigh the pros and cons of being truthful versus the potential short-term gains of deception. Scientists have found that honesty actually strengthens the prefrontal cortex. The more we practice honesty, the more robust this part of our brain becomes, enhancing our ability to make sound decisions and stick to our moral compass. In essence, honesty isn't just a societal expectation, it's a brain-building exercise. Honesty, it seems, not only shapes our character, but our brains as well. But how does the brain respond to acts of kindness and compassion? Well, it's all about the reward system, a fascinating part of our brain that responds positively to virtuous actions. When we perform acts of kindness, like helping a friend in need or donating to a charity, our brain's reward system gets activated. This activation triggers the release of feel-good chemicals like dopamine and endorphins. These chemicals make us feel happy, content, and satisfied. So in a way, our brain rewards us for our good deeds. This reward mechanism doesn't just make us feel good momentarily, it also reinforces virtuous behaviors. The brain remembers the positive feelings associated with these actions and encourages us to repeat them. It's like a cycle of goodness. The more kind and compassionate acts we engage in, the more our brain rewards us. So being good feels good, and your brain agrees. The benefits of virtuous living extend beyond the brain. Its positive impact on physical and mental health is remarkable. Embracing virtues like honesty, empathy, and kindness can lead to reduced stress and heightened life satisfaction. Moreover, these virtuous qualities cultivate resilience. They help us bounce back from adversity, view challenges as opportunities, and foster a positive outlook on life. So living virtuously doesn't merely make us better people, it also enhances our well-being. Virtue, it appears, contributes to a richer, healthier life. In summary, virtue plays a profound role in shaping our brains and overall well-being. We've journeyed through empathy's connection with mirror neurons, honesty's interaction with the prefrontal cortex, and how virtue lights up the brain's reward system. We've seen the physical and mental health benefits of virtuous living, including reduced stress and greater life satisfaction. Virtuous actions indeed mold not only our character but our brains too. Remember, every act of virtue shapes not just your character but your brain. So why not incorporate more virtuous actions into your life today? Thank you for watching our video on the virtuous brain. If you found this journey through the neuroscience of virtue enlightening, please give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us to keep creating content like this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Pinnacle Path, for more thought-provoking content. We delve into a variety of topics, from the intricacies of the human brain to the profound impact of character development on our lives. We've explored how virtue shapes our brain and our well-being today, but our journey doesn't end here. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human brain, we'll bring you more insights into the fascinating world of neuroscience and virtue. Stay tuned, keep learning, and remember, every act of virtue shapes not just your character, but your brain. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay virtuous.